Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the online learning platform. In the previous video of understanding democracy, we have learned about definition and meaning of democracy and some other forms of government that were monarchy and dictatorship. In this video, we will be discussing about the advent of democracy. Advent means arrival, yani ki आना, coming. So it was because of several independence war and revolution that the democracy came in its present form. बहुत सारे रेवोल्यूशन हुए, इंडिपेंडेंस वॉर हुए, इवन द वर्ल्ड वॉर्स, जिसके बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज चोज डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. So let us have a quick glance over these movements and revolutions that led to the evolution of democracy. पहले हम ग्रीस की बात करते हैं. The earliest democracy begins in Athens, that is ancient Greece, in 6th century BCE. Now see, BCE stands for before common era, and that was the direct democracy, the direct form of democracy. People क्या करते थे, एक जगह पर गैदर हो जाते थे. They used to assemble at certain place and then decisions and laws were made regarding day to day problems या day to day matter. एंशियंट से अब हम मेडिवियल पीरियड पे आते हैं. तो मेडिवियल पीरियड में सेवरल यूरोपियन रूलर्स स्टार्टेड कंसल्टिंग चर्च ऑफिशियल. पॉलिसीज बनाने से पहले वो चर्च ऑफिशियल से कंसल्ट करने लगे, बिकॉज चर्च ऑफिशियल्स को वो क्या करते थे, वो लोगों के डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में होते थे. सो दे वर मोर अवेयर ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स जो कि कॉमन पीपल फेस करते हैं. यहीं से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का फॉर्मेशन होने लगा. After this, the Renaissance movement in Europe led to the re-arrival of Greek literature and culture, which led to the growth of democracy. अब अगर इंग्लैंड की बात करें तो इंग्लैंड में द ग्लोरियस रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ 1688 led to the establishment of representative body of the English people. अमेरिका में the American War of Independence in 1775, which was between America and Britain, marked the end of Britain rule in America, the British rule in America, and the written constitution that is known as American Constitution came in 1789, which granted basic rights to the citizen. अगर हम फ्रांस की बात करें तो the French Revolution of 1789 brought up the idea of liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty means स्वतंत्रता, which is free. Equality का मतलब हो गया equal, and fraternity means you can say भाईचारा, the feeling of brotherhood. So citizens declared that कोई भी अगर individual है, if he is born free, right? Birth से ही क्या है, वो free है, independent है, and he must be given the basic rights. Nobody can take that basic rights from him. Now this was about the arrival of democracy in different parts of the world, and finally came the world wars. The first world war, that was from 1914 to 1980. It led to the end of European rulers and many new states were created which followed the principles of democracy. And finally in 1939, the world witnessed the second world war, after which most of the colonies, they became independent and chose to become a democracy. This was the arrival of democracy in different parts of the world. अब अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो as you know, we got independence in 1947, 15th August 1947. After that, B.R. Ambedkar drafted a constitution on 26 November 1949, which came into effect from 26 January 1950. That is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. Now this was how democracy began in India. अब अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात आई है तो let me tell you for your general knowledge that the Indian Constitution is the world's longest constitution, which have around 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. I hope all of you are now aware of the arrival of democracy in different parts of the world. In case of any doubt, please feel free to ask. Thank you for today and have a nice day. Good morning.